Welcome to my channel Crafty Funda. Let's start making cardboard wall hanging. Cover the sides of cardboard with tape. If you are new on my video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Paste the other cards to make shelves. Get ready with 2 such shelves. Tape the corners and paste it on the bigger cardboard. Paint it with the color of your choice. Let it dry after completing. Decor it with flowers. Link of these flowers is in the description. It's ready. Use it for different purposes.